In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a long date in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to work with dates. This can be a new blank workbook or an existing spreadsheet that already contains date values. Once Excel is open, we can focus on changing how a date is displayed so it appears in a more complete and readable format. A long date in Excel shows the full date, including the day of the week, the full month name, the day, and the year. For example, instead of a shorter date like 7/30/2026, Excel can display it as Thursday, July 30th, 2026. This is helpful when you want your spreadsheet to look more polished or when you need the date to be easier to read at a glance. To understand what this looks like, imagine a simple set of sample dates in one column. A date such as 7/30 to 2026 can be displayed as Thursday, July 30th, 2026. Another date like 12/25/2026 can appear as Friday, December 25th, 2026. And while 2027 can be shown as Friday, January 1st, 2027. The actual date value stays the same in Excel. Only the way it is presented changes. Now let's apply the long date format using the recommended method. First, enter a date into a cell if you have not done so already. If your worksheet already contains dates, simply click the cell with the date you want to format. You can also select a range of cells if you want to apply the same format to multiple dates at once. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the Number group, locate the Number Format drop-down list. This is where Excel lets you control how numbers, currencies, percentages, and dates are displayed. Click that drop-down and choose the long date option from the list. As soon as you select it, Excel updates the display of the selected date cells. The result is that each date appears in the long date format, showing the full weekday, month, day, and year. One useful thing to remember is that this changes the format, not the underlying value. So Excel still recognizes the entry as a date, which means you can continue sorting, filtering, or using it in formulas without any issue. And that's how to insert a long date in Excel. Once you know where the number format menu is, it only takes a few seconds to make your dates more detailed and professional looking.